One bright morning, as Henry was wandering near the edge of the woods, he heard a soft, pitiful cry. His tiny ears perked up.
Rabbits got big ears, they may look different, but they conquer fears. Out in the meadow,
And he followed the sound.
with kindness
To his surprise, he found a little rabbit stuck in a thorny bush.
and me, different as can be, through thorns and through rain. We'll all
The rabbit's fur was hopelessly tangled in the sharp branches, and tears glistened in its eyes.
Rabbit got stuck, but Henry saved the day. Now the best friends hopping all the
Henry gently replied, "I won't hurt you. I want to help. Just stay still, and I'll get you out of there."
And me, different as can be, through thorns and through rain, will always remain.
Henry carefully examined the situation. The thorns were sharp, and the bush was dense, but Henry had an idea.
It got stuck, but Henry saved the day. Now they're best friends, hopping all the way.
Using his quills, he began to push the branches aside, creating a small pathway. He moved slowly and cautiously, making sure not to hurt the rabbit or himself.
We're friends like you and me, different as can be, through thorns.
It was hard work, and Henry's quills occasionally got caught in the thorns, but he didn't give up. "Almost there," he said encouragingly.
Conquer it all, big or tiny, quills or fluff. Together we're strong, we've got the right.
After what felt like an eternity, the rabbit wiggled free and hopped out of the bush. The rabbit was overjoyed. "Thank you."
We're friends like you and
I didn't think anyone would stop to help me, especially not a hedgehog. I was so wrong about you. Henry blushed and smiled. "I'm just glad you're okay." Word of Henry's bravery and kindness spread quickly throughout the meadow. The rabbit told all the other animals about how Henry had saved it.
rain will always remain. Achievements want a friends like
Slowly, the animals began to approach Henry, realizing that his quills were not something to fear, but a unique part of what made him special.
remain. A team that's wild and free.
Soon, Henry found himself surrounded by new friends. They played together, shared stories, and even asked Henry for advice.
Rabbits got big ears, they may look different, but they conquer fears. Out in the meadow together, they're
Henry's heart swelled with happiness. He had always dreamed of having friends, and now he had more than he could have ever imagined.
can be, through thorns and through rain, will always remain.
From that day on, Henry was no longer lonely. The meadow became a place of joy and friendship.
Rabbit got stuck, but Henry saved the day. Now the best friends hopping all the way. The animals
Where everyone celebrated each other's unique traits. And Henry,
heroes and here we're friends like you and me. Different as
the once lonely hedgehog, became the happiest of them all.
will always remain. A team that's wild and free.
Moral of the story: never judge someone by their appearance. True kindness comes from within, and everyone has something special to offer.
Now they're best friends, hopping all the way.